Ever wondered how to get the most out of your garden space while making it easier to maintain? Consider raised bed gardening. This method gives you better soil control, easier maintenance, and higher yields. Stay tuned as we delve into the essentials of creating a raised bed garden. To start your raised bed garden, you need to pick the right location. Location is key in gardening. A spot with ample sunlight and easy access to water will give your plants a head start. Consider the size of your bed too. It should be manageable for you to reach across and tend to your plants. A bed that's too large can make maintenance a challenge. Don't forget, a garden is a living, breathing space that demands your time and attention. Once location is set, next is to build your raised bed. Building the bed is simple and requires minimum tools. Start by choosing your material. Wood is a popular option, but concrete blocks, plastic, or even recycled materials can work well. The key is to create a structure that's sturdy and can hold the soil in place. Next, ensure your bed has good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Then, fill it with a mix of quality soil and compost to provide a rich environment for your plants. With the bed built and filled, it's time to plant. Planting in a raised bed garden allows for better control over your plants. This elevated approach offers advantages like simpler pest management and reduced weeding. Nurturing your garden involves regular watering, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Incorporating compost enriches the soil, promoting healthier plant growth. Additionally, rotating crops each season prevents nutrient depletion and discourages pest infestations. With these steps, you're well on your way to a thriving raised bed garden. Raised bed gardening is a simple yet effective way to maximize your gardening potential. To recap, we've learned how to start, build, plant, and maintain a raised bed garden. A rewarding endeavor indeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.